What if your most trusted tool evolved with you? Today, we're not just building a Glock 43X, we're crafting an extension of my everyday life. Join me as I reveal the strategic upgrades and thoughtful decisions behind my personalized EDC, transforming it into the ultimate concealed carry. Wicked little lore for you. I've been running the Glock 42 and 380 since it dropped in 2014. The smaller firearm was the most comfortable concealed carry I've ran to date. The 6-round magazine plus one in the chamber wasn't as bad as the internet made it to be. I ran in conjunction with the 42 an INCOG in the waistband holster for the 42, and there was little to no printing. Over time, I transitioned from the in the waistband carry to an elderly stock bando bag once my kid was born. In the waistband carry is not practical with a toddler. We dad conceal carry now. Prior to the Glock 42, I ran a Glock 19, but it always felt like I had a VCR on my belt line. It was extremely bulky. The Glock 42 served its purpose, but technology, like everything, has changed the game and it's time to adapt. And here's a quick side-by-side of the 42 and the 43X. You can definitely see the increase in size from the 42 to the 43X. My favorite improvement with the Glock 43X is the 10-round magazine plus one in the chamber, 9mm. Getting into the upgrades, for the optic I went with the TRIJICON RMRCC and 6.5 MOA. I also had to pick up a TRIJICON RMRCC mounting plate. For the gunlight, I went with the Streamlight TLR 7X sub, obviously for the 43X. And for my holster, I went with the in the waistband INCOG X that's light and optic compatible with no mag caddy. Now I'm going to play some cyberpunk music while you watch me put this bad boy together. Overall, I'm pleased with the upgrade from the 380 Glock 42. The Glock 43X gives me a 9mm round with 11 rounds total. The optic and gunlight are drastic improvements to my EDC. Next step will be getting the RMR properly zeroed and getting some trigger time in. Like always, I appreciate you all watching, and I'll see you in the next video.